Hello again. In this video I'll demonstrate how you use the Apple Maps app for getting spoken turn-by-turn directions. Basically like just using a Satnav. So first of all we're going to Maps. Now at the top of the screen you can see search for address. So in this example I want to find directions to get me to the Metro Centre, shopping centre in Gateshead. So I simply touch where it says search or address, tap in Metro, and it's already guessed it there at the top. So if we touch that, now it puts up a little banner where we can press the little right facing arrow. That'll basically tell us the address, and then you can also get directions to here, directions from here. You can add it to your contacts. You can also add it as a bookmark in the Apple Maps app, and then if you go there again you can just simply go into the bookmarks and pick this bookmark and it'll take you there without having to enter the address and everything else again. So if we press back on the map, which is at the top left, you'll also see that there's a little square symbol with this icon of a car on it, and if we touch that, it then shows us 3 different routes that we can get there from my location, and it also tells us that route 1 is the suggested location, the suggested route, and it also says at the top of the screen that it's 2 hours and 17 minutes travelling time to get there, and it's 90.7 miles in distance. So all we simply do then is we'll press the start button. Now I won't press the start button because it'll show my name and address because it shows your present location, but simply you would just press the start button at the top right of the screen, and it would start to speak the spoken turn-by-turn directions, and you would simply just follow these as you would with any other Satnav app. If we go onto the page where we flip the page up, you can see at the bottom we've got standard, hybrid and satellite. These basically just change the view, what we see on the map. The view that we see now is standard, which I find is about the best for when you're using the Maps app for a sat-nav. You can also have hybrid and satellite, but sometimes they can make the map look a little bit too busy and a little bit off-putting when you're trying to get the directions. But it's entirely up to you, but I find the standard view is as good as any. Now if we just clear that, you can see at the top right of the screen what looks like an open book. Now if we touch that, it gives us the option, it shows us all saved bookmarks that what I've got on my iPhone. If you go to these locations often, it's quite handy to have these stored in your bookmarks, because you can basically just touch an entry there now and it'll set it up right away, and then all you simply do then is you just press the little car icon and then it'll show you one of the 3 routes. I always find that route 1's always the best route, and then you simply just press start. And if you just go back into this map, so say I wanted to go to Regent Street in London, and I wanted to save this in my bookmarks, I would simply just touch the little right facing arrow, and then I would simply just touch add to bookmarks, and then you've got the option there of entering the name of your choice, and then once you've entered the name of your choice, you just simply select save. Now if we go back into bookmarks, which is at the top right, you'll see that Regent Street has been added to the bottom of the list. That's pretty much it for the Maps app. I've used it a few times and it's never let me down. It's always gets me there without any problems, and as I say, it's never let me down. So I think that's all for this video guide. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.